Hi guys, so it's our first ride of spring going into summer, and look at the track, it's so dry and just so nice. Not
Belting
even a
today,
wet
isn't it?
place. Yeah, when hot. But we're not one of them people that don't wear them gear because it's so hot.
No, you've always got to wear the right stuff, haven't you, son? No matter how short of a little potter we're having, got to wear the right stuff.
Or if it's bullying, still have to wear it. If Americans can cope, we can.
Exactly. Right, let's get our stuff on and have a little warm up, yeah?
Okay.
See you in a moment. See if this old man can do
a jump.
A sweet jump. I'll probably get about this much air and I'll try not to crash.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I've got your phone just in case I need to call 999.
Thank you.
Ooh, here we go. There he is. Whoa, how's that good? That's good. That's mint, Dad. Look at him. Way. Papa Wheelie!
Yeah, boy! Woo!
Yeah! Yay!
Oh.
I don't need to call 999.
Rest time now.
Yeah. See you in a sec. Bye.
A little wobble there, Zacko. So close. Right, lunchtime. I think this is a bit that Zach likes more than, well, almost more than riding the bike. What are you having, Zacko?
So we're having the kimchi shin big bowl.
Spicy noodles. Got a little camping set up here.
Yeah. Dad's having all the soup thing, it's spicy. I'm only having a little bit because I don't like spice.
Oh, they're good though, aren't they? So yeah, whenever we come out on the bikes, we tend to bring a little camping stove, some fresh water, some pot noodles.
And ketchup.
Ketchup, so.
We need ketchup in these.
Yeah, so we've got something to eat and drink. And to be fair, we do this when we go to skate park as well, don't we?
Yeah.
Which is fun. Right.
No, don't matter.
Go on.
No, it don't matter.
Okay. We're going to let this water boil. I'll catch you in a bit. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Right. Fully lunched up now, aren't we, son?
Yeah.
All full? Had lots of drink because it's absolutely baking today. Look at that sun, it's gorgeous. So what do you want to do now, sunshine?
We're going to go and try find some good trails that we haven't been on.
Yeah, little enduro style trails where some 4x4s have made paths before, so
Yeah.
we'll go and have a look at those now, can't we?
Yeah.
Catch you in a mo.
Peace for now.
Right, another successful few hours on the bikes.
Yeah.
No crashes,
No.
lots of fun,
Yeah.
some wheelies,
Yeah.
some skids,
Yeah.
little jumps,
Yeah.
bit of
The reason-
off-roading.
Yeah. The reason why I've not got my top on and Dad has, Dad's is very not sweaty, but mine was drenching in sweat, so that's why mine's off.
Yeah, absolutely. So
Look
we're
at
just
my
going to get
legs.
some more water on board. Yeah. Get
Oh,
some water, and then we've got to do the best job in the world. This is where we get home. Zach disappears inside to watch YouTube or do whatever, and leave Dad to clean the bikes. Mint.
But you like cleaning the lights.
Right, ladies all.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.